Are you the one who is manually creating records for your Google Sheet data? Then this video is definitely for you. So watch this video till the end, because by using this automation, I'm going to automatically add my Google Sheet data to the Airtable as a new record, which is going to save up my lot of time because I don't have to manually copy or paste the data again and again. So now let me firstly show you what I'm talking about. So for that, let's move on towards my Google Sheet named as My Leads, where I'm going to add all the details of my lead. So now let's add it. So right here, I have created the record for my lead having the full name demo lead, email as demo@pabblytunes.com, phone number, the city as Indore, and the product in which my user is interested is Pabbly Agentic AI. Now let's move on towards my Airtable to check whether a record is created for this particular data or not. So right here I'm on my Airtable base named as Google Sheet data, and here you can see that we are successfully receiving all the details which I have just entered over my Google Sheet. So by using this, I'm automatically creating record over my Airtable regarding this Google Sheet data. So now you can also automate this entire process, and now you don't have to manually copy or paste the data again and again, and this is going to save up a lot of your time, and the records will be created automatically without any error. As you can see that I'm receiving the same data which I have entered over here. So now let me show you how I have created this automation using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that can integrate thousands of applications. So let's proceed towards the dashboard page and create this automation. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I'm going to enter the prompt as integrate Google Sheets and Airtable, and right here I'm going to select my Google Sheet trigger as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's select Airtable action as create record. Now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here we are on the workflow page, where you can see that my both applications are already integrated. And right here I'm going to select Google Sheets, through which I'm going to fetch the lead details and add that as a new record over my Airtable. So now let's copy this webhook URL, which is going to make the connection between the Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. So for adding this webhook URL, let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here I have created this Google Sheet named as My Leads, through which I'm going to receive my lead details. And here I have already made a test entry providing the full name, email, phone number, city, and the product in which my user is interested. Now let's add the webhook URL. So for that, let's move on towards my extensions, select add-on and select get add-ons. And here we will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where we have to search for the app that is going to be the Pabbly Connect webhook. So here I'm going to search for it, and right here we are getting this app or this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect webhooks. where you have to select this initial setup and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And here we have to add the webhook URL which we have just received, and for the trigger column we have to enter the last data column of our Google Sheet, and here you can see that the last data column is E. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as E. Now let's submit it, and here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that I'm going to click over this recapture webhook response, and here I'm going to send this test data, and here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect and check it. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 7 seconds ago we have received this response, that's the response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my Google Sheet. So now as soon as you will make the new entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect, and for that you have to perform one more operation. That is, you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable the send on event. So by enabling it, you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. The data will be automatically fetched as a new entry will be made. And right here I'm going to add all these details to my Airtable to create a new record regarding these details. So for that I'm going to automate this process. So here I have selected Airtable. Now let's connect it. And right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's build a new connection by simply selecting this button, that is connect with Airtable. And right here I'm going to add all the resources, and if you want to add a particular base, then you can even select this, that is add a base. Now let's grant the access. And here you can see that my connection has been created successfully, and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the base name, means the base where I want to create the record. So right here I'm going to enter my base name as Google Sheet data. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this base name which I have selected, and now we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the name like this or copy or paste it, but no, I'm not going to do so, because here I'm going to perform the mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from my Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple, you just have to select this field and this slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from the response of the Google Sheets I'm going to map the name of my lead. Now let's map the email likewise. So here I have mapped it, and now let's map the rest of the details too. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single entry received over your Google Sheet. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a record might be created over my Airtable. So now let's move on towards my Airtable account and check for this record. So right here I'm on my Airtable account, where I'm successfully receiving all the details, that is the name, email, phone number, city, and the product in which my user is interested. So now you have seen that by using this automation, an automated record is created over my Airtable regarding my Google Sheet data. So now you don't have to copy the Google Sheet data again and again to the Airtable, because this automation is going to do so. And you have seen that we have created this automation without even requiring a single word coding. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created for your reference in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.